This leech therapy is one of the wonderful treatment which has a very fast results and a quick recovery. Just by mere keeping that insect on the affected skin area, it sucks all the unwanted blood, like the toxic blood, the infected blood, and the fluid that is underlying that skin. So it is a very simple procedure. Some people may have lot of rashes, they have lot of itching, they have lot of skin difficulties, they are finding it very difficult. So what happens is, the moment when we place it, it's a very simple localized treatment. It's a very topical treatment. We need not take a huge like a topical application. Nothing is there. Just place that insect on the affected skin area for 10 to 15 minutes. It will suck all the unwanted blood products, and it will suck the unwanted fluid. The moment when you place that insect in the kidney tray, it will vomit all the things that has been sucked out, and once again we can keep it back. By this we can repeat this procedure as per the doctor's advice based on the severity of the skin diseases, on once a week or twice a week, and on a repeated intervals, and in a very short notice, short period, the skin will completely come back to normal.